Hey guys, it's Zoya and Zayn here from Sis and Bro. And today, so you can look for our videos to be uploaded every Monday. And we're pretty much just getting started. This is our first video.
Yeah.
So sorry if it's not very good. And if you'd like us to do anything else, just comment down below
what you guys should think. It's okay if it's not slime.
So shout out to Nora, my best friend from school,
and Nathan.
and a huge shout out to Sis vs Bro. That's our favorite channel, and we pretty much really love their channel.
Yeah.
And today we are going to be doing our sister Pixar slime ingredients challenge. And I'm kind of nervous.
Me too.
She might give me horrible things. I'm not on her good side.
You
today.
never know. You never know.
So let's just get right on to the video.
And
I don't
if
want
you-
to keep you guys waiting.
We're not going to put any contact solution or any activator in the
in the rounds, and we'll have 5 rounds.
Yeah, so you
and-
don't want this thing to turn out of not slime. That's right. This is my first slime.
Activator, activator, you just get automatically.
Yeah.
Jen? So let's just get started. Okay, rock, paper, scissors. Who goes first? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Why do
We
I
always pick scissors. Okay,
Do
so
Zaina.
Zaina, what do you want your beautiful sister to have?
I think.
No!
That's what I mean.
Oh, oops.
Today.
Okay, so which one do you want Zaina to have?
No.
Okay.
Zaina, no.
So, haha.
No. Zaina, please clear, Zaina, clear.
And
Change your
so-
mind, say clear.
No.
Say clear glue.
No.
So we're gonna plop those right in.
Oh my god.
So just
Take off
do
the
it.
I knew.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Plop. Oh my god, this is watery.
Oh my god.
It looks like water.
I wanna.
Yeah, this looks
Should
so
we do the
cool.
whole thing?
Yes, do the whole thing.
Okay, I'm gonna do the whole thing. Oh yeah, you're right. It is like.
No, mine is like water.
No, look at mine.
Oh wow, it's watery. Rah! Oh my god, this
Get in there.
Okay.
Get in there.
I think that should be good.
Oh my god, Zoya. There's like a lot.
Okay, you got it in?
Almost. Yep, so we can start the next
On.
one.
Okay. On to. Okay, put your garbage. Put your garbage next to you. On to round number 2.
Oh my god.
Okay, that's what you got? Is all of it out?
Yep.
Just put it next to you, yeah. Okay. So for this round, automatically the other person will get the other color.
That's why we don't have to.
Yeah, because we don't have 2 of these. And so let's
They're
just
not
go.
going.
Zaina?
Which one do you want me
To have.
your beautiful brother to have?
Oh, wait, mix your slime so no bubbles come in.
Man. Ha! Oh, I got
I got my favorite color. It's blue. I hope this comes into a wintry slime because my replacement
Zoya,
color-
how do you open this? This thing won't budge.
Here, give it to me.
Oh my god.
Ow!
Oh
Oh my god, this is hard.
Can you help me?
Inside.
Can you help us? Help us. This thing won't open.
It's killing us.
Literally, that hurts, right? It's even hard for our dad to do it. And he has like so much
Put all your power into it now.
Oh, it's nothing. I did not.
Okay, ready?
I am not excited for
So this is it for the glue.
and pure.
Oh my god, that's a lot.
Oh,
dang.
Oh, dang. That's a bad roll.
No, it isn't.
Dang is bad
Dang
roll.
isn't a bad word. Oh my god, I think I got some on me.
Dang it.
Yeah, that's a bad word.
Dang
In
it.
our opinion,
Dang it.
yes.
Try to get it done fast.
Dang it.
Dana, don't say that.
Dang.
Don't say.
Oh my god.
There's like never-ending glue. It's never-ending glue, guys.
Someone's
Oh, it even says great for slime on this.
Yeah.
Okay, there we go.
And you guys can see. Oh my god. Get out of there.
That's it.
That's
Oh my
it.
god, there's still more. So look.
It's okay, just don't use it. This is way too much.
Oh my god.
It might come out of your thing.
Let's go.
Okay,
time.
on for round.
Zoya, help me.
You can do it.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh no. On to.
Okay, give me a napkin.
It's fine, leave it.
Oh, it's washable.
It'll come off. Okay. That's
Okay,
enough.
go get a wipe.
We'll have a little left. On to round number 3.
Oh, it's going to...
Dad.
Round number 3
mixing
is
it.
aquamarine acrylic paint.
the purple is...
And this is blue acrylic paints. And so now my sister gets to pick for me.
Okay.
Beautiful sister. And this is the same one, like...
This
Which one do you want me to have,
Okay,
Zayna?
which one do you want him to have?
purple.
Oh my
You
god.
don't have to add a lot, okay? I don't think this is even open yet. Oh, it is.
Oh, I don't know how much.
I'm not adding a lot because I don't have. Just add like 3 squirts.
1, 2...
And then put it next to you.
Oh my god, that is enough.
Okay, that was a really fast round, so on to
Actually,
round
I-
number 4.
I want it... It looks like blue.
Okay. So, oh my god, these are a lot of glitter.
Yep, we have a lot of blue.
Oh, yes, I
Let's
can.
start mixing.
A second bit.
Not
Oh, it's blue.
Oh, really?
Now give
Oh,
So now we have a bunch of
who
glitter.
cares?
It's silver glitter, purple glitter,
Hey, that's... Oh,
green glitter,
Uh-huh. Number 1.
red glitter.
Oh, red.
I love blue.
I really hope. Oh,
It's 5 number.
and I really hope to
Guys,
get
look at
red,
mine.
Like it'll
Look at
be
mine.
like little. So and this is blue glitter, and so now pick for Zayon.
Okay,
Actually, I want a little more paint.
I think we're gonna have this one.
Ha!
Oh my god.
You're gonna have a really purple slime. Okay, add that in.
I want a lot. That's enough.
And now, what do you want your sister to have?
This one.
Oh my god! I got the best colors ever.
Silver, oh my god, so I'm mixing mine like crazy. I want it to turn out blue.
Okay,
I want to
So just put
Let's
it in.
see, clean.
Should I put the whole thing in?
No, not the whole thing.
I put a lot. That's probably enough.
This is not. Glitter makes
Oh
everything
my
better.
god, look at this.
Okay, put that next to you.
Okay, wait, I didn't open it yet.
Oh wow, you didn't. The cap was broken, I guess. Fail. Just go. Just keep going. Just do it. Relax. Put that into your slime. That's enough, I guess. Whatever.
No more.
Here, just put it from your hand. That's enough.
No more.
Oh wait, just put in more.
Can you open the cap? Sure. I want the whole thing to pop out. The whole thing gonna pop out?
Here you go.
Okay, thanks.
Just hold the cap. Don't let it glow. Okay, that's pretty much the glitter. Okay, that's it.
That was a good
That's enough.
So,
And for the last and final round, we have golden glitter. And I don't want to get that. It won't match with silver.
Yeah.
And we have
It does.
shaving cream. Shaving cream is what I love to add.
I don't like to.
So now pick for Zayon. What will he get?
this girl.
And what do you want your sister to get?
No, Zayna.
Okay,
I'm sorry.
I'm not going to add a lot since I have enough glue. And
That was a weird sound.
Zoya, later can I put in some shaving cream?
Now
Maybe.
it's time for mixing, I think.
okay, and so now we're going to pretty much mix it and add our activator.
But
So first we're going to mix so we get all that.
First we're gonna mix.
Oh my god, this looks amazing. It looks like a little winter wonderland. This is gonna be awesome.
I need a little more.
Ah! Oh my god, it's turning completely blue. I love this.
I love this.
Oh
kiss
no,
sign.
white's taking over. No, it's not. No, it's
It's
not.
almost
okay.
this.
So we're gonna add our activator and see you there.
I
And
wanna. We're gonna reveal it in 3,
2, 1. Okay,
Hey guys, we're
done.
done with this. Actually,
We're done with it. It's really good. So here's my slime first.
Ah,
It's nice and blue, and I added a bit more glitter. Well, not even a bit. It makes everything better.
Yeah.
And so
You can never have enough glitter.
It's
And we
really
added
sketchy.
some baking soda.
And we added baking soda, and we just
Okay.
kept mixing. It took like half an hour. We're finally done. And
Ooh.
so
Look at how
my
stretchy it is.
And this, if you think mine's the winner, write down hashtag blue for the win.
And if you guys think mine
Tell
won,
them about your slime.
mine is actually a purplish, bluish color. That's why I added like so much paint.
I'll get it out.
And look how stretchy it is. Oops. It's so
It's okay.
stretchy for my first slime. It's so, I say this is a success.
Do you got it out?
Yeah. So, if you guys think mine is the winner, say hashtag purple takes over.
And so that's it for our video. So I hope you guys liked it. If you did, smash that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you all next time. Goodbye.